Hello everyone, this is just a quick sample of what you can make out of the Corsair 220T case. It's pretty maxed out, so I figured I'd show everybody what actually fits. I'm going to take off the side panels so you can get a better look in a minute. This one actually has no LEDs. I took out the original fans that it came with and actually sold them on eBay. And the original RGB controller, and you'll actually be able to get these fans with that cooler for the price that you could sell it with stuff that you take out of the case. Alright, now that's enough sample of that. I will take off all the panels and you can see everything. This is how it looks with all the side panels off, so you could get a better view. Fine clearance and everything. Those are two GTX 970s, 3 slots spaced. That's 60mm bridge SLI. This is how the top looks. It does fit 140. I tried to fit it, but my power connectors were blocking it, so I went back to 120s. All these are the Arctic fans, and I bought them because they all match my build. Mainly because of the color. Here's the back side. 2 hard drives fit there. 2 hard drives fit there. Many tie down spots for the wires. Overall though, not bad. Good job, Corsair.